Welcome to Playtown, a fun place to learn, play, and explore together. Today let's learn the names about construction vehicle types. Let's start.
This is a trencher.
Trencher moving forward with precision, cutting long and narrow trenches through the ground. Its sharp teeth spin fast, carving perfect paths for pipes and cables deep below the surface.
This is a compactor.
Compactor rolling across the ground, pressing every layer tight and smooth as it rumbles forward, turning rough terrain into a solid foundation ready for building. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, or you'll get a bad grade at school.
This is a forklift.
Forklift driving smoothly across the warehouse floor, using its strong metal forks to lift and stack heavy boxes high in the air. It keeps everything organized and moving efficiently all day long.
This is a bulldozer.
A bulldozer, with its giant front blade, pushes sand, rocks, or dirt. It helps clear the land and make it even.
This is the road roller.
The road roller is big, heavy, and slow, but very helpful. It presses the ground flat and smooth to prepare roads or buildings.
This is a hydraulic hammer.
Hydraulic hammer in full action, smashing through thick concrete and rocks with incredible force as dust flies everywhere and the ground trembles under its power.
This is an excavator.
Excavator stretching out its tall arm with power, digging deep into the ground and scooping up massive loads of soil. Its bucket moves back and forth, shaping the land and clearing the way for new construction.
This is a paver.
A paver spreads hot asphalt to make flat roads. The street is ready for cars.
This is a grader.
A grader has a long blade under it that smooths the surface. It gets the ground ready before roads or buildings are built.
This is a concrete mixer.
Concrete mixer spinning and turning non-stop, mixing cement, water and gravel into the perfect blend while keeping the construction site alive with its steady rhythm.
This is a skid steer loader.
A skid steer loader is small but tough. It can spin around in tiny spaces and is used for digging, lifting, or cleaning dirt.
This is a tower crane.
A tower crane is very tall and strong. It lifts heavy things way up high.
This is an articulated dump truck.
An articulated dump truck bends in the middle so it can turn easily on rough land. It carries big loads on bumpy paths.
This is a wheel loader.
A wheel loader has a big bucket in front that lifts and moves rocks, dirt, and other heavy stuff. Strong and fast at the same time.
This is a telehandler.
A telehandler raises things high with a long arm, like a forklift but with more reach. Useful on tall sites and farms.
This is an asphalt milling machine.
An asphalt milling machine scrapes away old roads so new ones can be made. The ground gets cleared and ready. Thanks for watching the video, friends. I hope you learned lots of new things. See you on the next adventure, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video.